Have you ever wondered what it is that you're meant to be doing in life, where you are in life, and where you'd hope to be in life? The idea of you being here in the present tense, having come from this particular point and going to that particular point, is only divided by time. Literally steps through time. So where you have come from, you recall, you remember. So in every respect, you up here have knowledge of what took place back there. Should you move forward in time to this point, you'd also have knowledge of what took place back there. So if this and this is nothing more than you going through time, by proving to people that where you are now and going back on the steps of time into your past and providing evidence that these things did take place, there is no difference in going from this point back into its past to provide evidence of what will take place. Because with the material that I teach people has come from years and years of research. So an introduction to predicting your future is nothing more than going to your future and looking back. And from your present looking back, we prove this, which will prove this. It would encompass what people think is numerology, numerology being the study of the meaning or the language of numbers, just as we will be studying the meaning and the language of letters that make up words. There's no difference between the two. They're just two languages that we use in the English language so we can understand things. And so when we speak in words, we're using lots of letters to make up the words to also make us understand something we're talking about. And I use these tools to identify in your mind what it is you have come from, where you are, and where you're going.